Good day to all of you and actually a rainy day to all of you. Still, we will have our online class and I will be uploading this video. So let's start our lesson because it is included in our exam. So let me share my screen. So for today, we will be tackling enumeration and description text. So welcome, rookie detectives. Okay, so imagine again that you are a detective. Now, our mission for today is know what an enumeration and description text is, spot the hidden clues that make it special, and solve the case files by finding this text in the wild. Okay, so first let's talk about enumeration. So what is enumeration? Enumeration is the clue here is listing. So it means naming things one by one or putting them into categories. So the clue words are first, second, finally, some, many, types of, or kinds of. Okay, again, enumeration is listing things. Okay, one by one or putting them into categories. So the word there is listing. You are enumerating or listing things. Example, if I say enumerate your favorite fruits. Okay, so you will be listing your favorite fruits. Example, apples, bananas, grapes. So enumeration is listing things. Okay, this is an example. Listing your favorite fruits. So for example, my favorite fruits are apples, bananas, grapes. So I am listing them one by one. So that is enumeration. Again, enumeration is equal to listing things one by one. The word is listing. Next, description. So description is detailing. Enumeration is listing. Description, on the other hand, is detailing. So you are giving specific characteristic of something so we can easily picture it in our minds. So how can you picture it in someone's mind? The clue words here are colors, sizes, shapes, feelings, and exact features. So you are giving them specific characteristic of something. So description is equal to details. You are giving them details, okay? Using the sensory words. What do I mean by sensory words? Last time, sensory words, I've discussed that last time, you using your senses, but in words. So you are describing or giving details using sensory words. What are these? How it looks, okay? How it feels, taste, okay? To explain a characteristic. Example, for the apple, di ba, you listed already you enumerated already your favorite fruits. Now, you describe it. Using description, using sensory words, you are giving details. For example, the apple, crunchy, sweet, and bright red. Okay, for the bananas, soft, squishy, and sunny yellow. You see, you are using sensory words in order for us to imagine it, even if without holding it or seeing it. Grapes, small, round, and juicy purple. So, enumeration plus description is a super text. Okay? This will organize information perfectly. For example, this text list different things and then describe each one in detail. They work together to organize information perfectly. For example, this one, the case file 1, the animal kingdom. There are many fascinating big cats in the wild. First, the cheetah is known for its slender body and incredible speed. Second, the tiger has bright orange fur with dark striking stripes. Finally, the lion features a thick, majestic mane around its neck. Majestic mane around its neck. So, question, is this enumeration description text? You can pause the video if you want to answer. I'll give you a time to answer so you can pause the video. Okay, let's solve it. Again, let's read the text. There are many fascinating big cats in the wild. First, the cheetah is known for its slender body and incredible speed. Second, the tiger has bright orange fur with dark, striking stripes. And finally, the lion features a thick, majestic mane around its neck. So, you see the yellow highlight. It shows the list of big cats. So you are you can see here listing or enumerate. You are enumerating um fascinating big cats. I'll go back to the description. The enumeration. So the clue words there are first, second, and finally. You can see here in my example the words first, okay, second, and finally. So there, those clues will already indicate that there is enumeration in the text. Now, let's go to the blue clues, the underlined words gives us the exact characteristic of each cats. So the blue words are describing the enumerated big cats. So these clues, okay, slender body, incredible speed, you are already describing, okay, you are already giving details from each big cats or from each enumerated big cat. So enumeration and description is present in this case file number 1 or in this text. So this is an enumeration description text. Now, case file 2. Again, pause if you want to answer. My favorite fruits are apples, crisp, sweet, and bright red. Bananas, long, curved with a soft yellow peel. Grapes, small, round and juicy, growing in purple branches. Is this an enumeration description text? Pause the video and think. Now, let's try to answer. My favorite fruits are apples, bananas, grapes. Is it enumeration? Yes, you provided the list of your favorite fruits. Now, is there a description in it? Yes. Okay. So there are already words that describing your favorite fruits. For example, apples, crisp, sweet, and bright red. So you are already describing the apple. Bananas, long, curved with a soft yellow peel. So you are already describing bananas. Grapes, small, round, and juicy, growing in purple branches. So you are already describing the grapes. So there are lists of the three fruits, your favorite fruits, that's enumeration. And the specific details about how they taste and look, that's already description. So it is an enumeration description text. Let's go to number 3 or the case file 3, the sandwich protocol. How to make a sandwich. First, get 2 slices of bread. Next, put ham and cheese on one slice. Then, place the second slice on top. Finally, eat your sandwich. Is this enumeration and description text? Pause and look closely. Okay. Okay. This one is not an enumeration and description text. Why? Yes, it has the clue words first, next, then finally. So there are listing words, which is the first, next, then, and finally. Okay? So there are these ones. First, next, finally, okay, and then. Okay, these words, listing words. But, okay, there are no descriptive details. Wala siyang descriptive details. Why? We don't know what kind of bread it is. Okay, so you did not list. Okay, there are no list of different sandwiches. That's why you cannot describe. So it is not, there are no description words in it. Yes, there are enumeration words, first, next, and finally, but there are no descriptive details. So we don't know what kind of bread or what the cheese looks like. So this is a procedural text. It is giving you procedure on how to do sandwich, but you are not enumerating or describing the sandwich. So this is not an enumeration, and this is not an enumeration or description text. Understood? So, you need both clues to solve a case. You need enumeration and description in order for you to tell that it is an enumeration description text. Now, the detective checklist. So feature 1, group or list of items. If you see groups or list of items, it is enumeration. If it gives specific characteristics, okay, it provides you characteristics using sensory words, it is a description. Now, if you combine this one and it gives you, it organizes information correctly, it is a, it is an enumeration description text. If a text has a list but no details, it's just a list. It's just an enumeration. But if it only gives a description without the list, it's just a description. But if there's an enumeration, there are lists of items, and also it is described, it is an enumeration description text. Understood? So they must team up to crack up the case in order for you to understand, or in order for us to identify if it's an enumeration description text. Okay? Again, if it only gives a list of items, it is only an enumeration text. If it only gives you this characteristic or details, it is only a description text. But if the text provides enumeration and description or list of items and characteristic of those items, it is called enumeration description text. Understood? Now, an enumeration and description text list items, okay? It lists items and gives details about the characteristics. Now, you can identify, or I can identify it by looking for listing words. So you can identify enumeration and description text by looking for its listing words and descriptive words. So if you see listing words and descriptive words, it is an enumeration and description text. Understood? So now it is mission accomplished. We cracked already the code. Keep your eyes peeled and your magnifying glasses ready for your next reading adventure. So after this recording video, I will be providing you um, an activity that will be sent in your GC. Again, the clue words in our lesson for today is in enumeration, listing words. In description, it is the details, okay, the characteristic of something. Again, good day, and I hope you're safe and warm in your houses. Thank you so much.